Are you working from home? This buys a temporary peace of mind until you realize your home is a magnet for germs and disease. Disinfecting one time is good, but it's not a substitute for routine, ongoing maintenance. The CDC currently recommends routine, frequent cleaning. This gets expensive when you're using canned sprays, if you're able to find them these days. Instead, use a recommended bulk cleaning product or disinfectant in a hand pump sprayer that can reach areas with multiple spray patterns. We need to focus on cleaning doorknobs, handrails, the tops and bottoms, counters, toilet seats and handles, plus children toys, to name a few. If it can be touched by germs, it needs to be cleaned everywhere. And having a sprayer in hand at all times gives you comfort knowing it'll be hard to run out, because you can simply make another batch to protect you and your loved ones with the Chapin home and garden family of sprayers.